So if you want to be good at making such a dime, here is how. I will be showing you a good outline of how the beat was made, scratch with every instrument, but I won't go into the little details of how to make the sound. You will find me in my channel where I will show you exactly how to make such a good melody. I will show you how this melody is on its own without the drums. The drums are the sounds you hear behind a good melody. So here is the melody. This is called the classical acoustic. I found it in, this is a FL Studio stock plugin. You can find it if you're new to making beats. You will just you come to the channel rack. If you want to open the channel rack, you press F6, then come to this plus button here. This one will show you what you want, what you might use, anything. These are all plugins. These are stock plugins. They make very good sounds. Here's what I did. I used the DirectWave to get this classic acoustic guitar to sound like this. Once I found that sound, I went straight and put the drums into the song, because we don't need too many sounds for a beat. All we need is the artist's sound most of the time. So here is the drums on the melody. Oh, I forgot to turn on the drums. If you want to turn on and off the drums, you can solo it by right clicking on this green button. You can solo or unsolo. This will help you, focus on one or maybe all at the same time. Yeah, those are the drums. I'm gonna switch off the melody just for you guys to hear the drum part. I put this vocal. This vocal is a vocal in FL Studio stock vocal, which is awesome. She's called Laurie Webb. I'll show you where to find her on this is the browser. This is where you find some other kicks, mostly your drums. And here is the vocals. You come to vocals right here on drums, vocals, Laurie Webb. You can find the. This is what I used, but I sampled just a little bit just for the bounce of the beat when it drops. So when you hear the beat, it's like. But the initial sample was. I will get into all that soon. You guys just link in the description below. Yeah, that is where you will find everything. So the drums, I'm gonna break down the drums. If you wanna see your drums, if you want to make your drums, you have to open the channel rack first, which was F6. You press F6. F6 brings in the channel rack in and out. So you will start with which sound you want. If you're making a trap beat like this one, you are supposed to use this kind of sound. The hi-hats, these are the hi-hats. The hi-hats. You have to add here. So this is like, this will be your opinion on what. Maybe you will want to use a clap. A clap is mostly they fall under the 3/7 This was my clap, but this is not really a clap, it's a rim. I call it the lean rim. And I added a kick. A kick is the loudest part of the beat. Yeah, with the biggest drum. With the biggest drum bounce. It brings the drum bounce. Then you have to add an open hat, which is this 808 open hat. For more bounce. Yeah, so when you add the hi-hats, you can feel the bounce already. I can bring a rapper right now and he will clearly rap on the beat already because it already has a bounce. But you can add some beautiful things like the 808 cowbell to bring more bounce. And I added a bass. I come to if you don't have the real drum kits, you can download them on Reddit. They are free. You can download your best producer drum kit on Redkit. You will find the Metro Booming, the Magic Singer, Motif Didon, everyone you want. If you know these producers, or maybe an artist like Calligraph or Dax, you will find their drum kits in Reddit. Yeah, I will post the link in the description to make it easier for you guys to find the drum kits. But if you want to make a beat straight up in FL, you can still do that with the drum kits here available for you. The bass, you will find it in, as I told you, press F6, then to this plus button you will find flex. No, not this one. Oh, don't you crash on me. You left click, you will see your plugins showed for you. So I come to this flex plugin to find a good bass. It has some good 808 basses. I know this guy decided to use the 808 driven bass, which is a good bass too. And this is what came. Yeah, that is the drums. Very vibey. If you wanna find more beats, you can visit It's Just Juice YouTube channel. You will find his music right there. Yeah, he has more of these beats coming. Yeah. So after though, that is the only thing you really need to know about a beat. It's different sounds, a melody, and drums on them. Oh, and I did not show you how to put a counter melody on a beat, but that will be in my next video. Just link in the description. At BBL Beats, I will be producing so much of this content. Yeah, here is a counter melody. A counter melody helps the main melody to bring a more vibe to the beat. So here is how it sounds. It was made by Rhodes. Same place I went and took the acoustics is the same place I took the Rhodes. So yeah, here are the Rhodes. And I start adding more sounds onto the beat, and boom, the drums. The vibe. So I leave the beat for you guys to play. You enjoy the beat. You enjoy the beat. All you hear, the only thing added to a beat is Lou Baby vocals and stuff. Not much, but this is all you see when you hear a beat. Oh, this is a gross beat plugin. I use it to bring more sauce into the beat by reversing the melodies at some point of the beat to keep the rhythm going and not to throw off the listeners. Yeah. And we're back to the verse. I will teach you guys all about the chorus, the verse, place where you have to put your verse, your chorus, so that the song sounds professional and you might make money and make music that your best artists sing to. Thank you guys for listening. See you next time.